Hi everyone. So first of all, a big congratulations to all those who have been allotted with the shares of Clean Science and GR Infra, जिन IPOs की बात हमने पिछले वीडियोस में की थी एंड फाइनली आज ये लिस्ट हो चुके हैं. माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन वाज दैट कि IPO 40% तक के प्रीमियम पे तो डेफिनेटली लिस्ट होगा ही, एंड टुडे दे गॉट लिस्टेड at more than 80% premium. Clearly, this is what a bumper listing is, and it's not the end here. Now also you have option and can save 50% of your allotted shares to get more return, because companies are really good and can deliver good fundamentals in future as well. But if you want short term benefit, then you can take exit anytime with this amazing return. तो ये तो हुई उन IPOs की बात जो लिस्ट हो चुके हैं, पर आज हम जिस IPO की बात करने वाले हैं, it will surely be the next bumper listed IPO of July. So if you missed the chance to apply for previous IPOs or didn't get their allotment, here's yet another wonderful chance for you in the form of this IPO, that is Tattva Chintan Pharma Chemicals Limited. तो इस IPO के लिए ये क्वेश्चन तो है ही नहीं whether we should apply for it or not, because अगर इस IPO के लिए हमने अप्लाई नहीं किया, so clearly we miss a golden chance of making a good money. तो ये तो आपको पता लग ही गया कि हमें IPO के लिए तो डेफिनेटली अप्लाई करना है, बट question is only for premium listing benefit or for long term perspective as well. So you'll get to know this till the end of the video. So let's start with analysis of Tattva Chintan Pharma Chemicals Limited. But of course, before that, welcome back to my channel Stock Market Mantras for Beginners. Tattva Chintan Pharma Chemicals Limited is a specialty chemical manufacturing company engaged in manufacturing of diverse range of portfolio, that is SDAs, PTCs, electrolyte salts for supercapacitor batteries, pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates, and some other specialty chemicals. As of December 2020, company is manufacturing over 138 products. In fact, company is the largest and only manufacturer of structure directing agents SDAs for zeolites in India, and is one of the leading global producers of an entire range of phase transfer catalysts, that is PTCs. Zeolites are microporous minerals जिन्हें use किया जाता है as commercial adsorbents. In today's world, there is a strong need for conducting chemical processes in environmental friendly manner, and industries who are conducting processes in cleaner and greener way will definitely grab a great market share in coming few years. Also, because of introduction of Bharat Stage 6, that is BS6 by Supreme Court, under which new emission standard is applied on all vehicles from April 2020. So there is sharp increase in demand for zeolites as they help in reducing emission levels and comply with requirements also. Being the only manufacturer of zeolites in India, so company will definitely be getting a lot more contracts and entering into a big deals, which will help them in generating huge revenues and growing their business in a very few years. Main aim of company is to contribute for a cleaner and a better environment by using green chemistries. Also, company is manufacturing electrolyte salt division, which is used in EV batteries for restoring energy from start and stop operation of vehicles and to bring down emission. So because of huge demand of electric vehicles, this product is also expected to experience good growth in future, and also in a great demand as of now by big automobile companies. Company's products have use in several industries like automotive, paints, dyes and pigments, personal care, flavor and fragrance industries, etc. Not only in domestic markets, company is also exporting to more than 25 countries, including UK, US and China. Around 76% of their total revenue is just from overseas markets, and they are serving customers who are leading players in their own segment as well. So clearly a strong base, well diversified portfolio, and indulging in businesses wherein their products are and will continue to be in a great demand. So company can clearly deliver a strong fundamental in future and a good return to its shareholders as well. Now coming on to valuations. Revenues and profits of companies are continuously increasing from last 3 years, which is a good sign, and one can expect promising growth in coming years as well. Comparing from its peers, company has highest 3-year revenue growth and is having good EBITDA margin. Company is also giving good returns to its stakeholders as compared to other peers, and debt to equity ratio is also less than 1. So valuations are quite attractive and there is no negative sign as of now. And one can apply for this IPO for both premium listing benefit and long-term perspective. Object of issue is also very satisfying because company's products are in great demand and this demand is continuously increasing. So company decided to raise funds for expanding their manufacturing facilities and also to upgrade their research and development facilities because company research and development department has great contribution and a strong focus on delivering highly technical products. So ultimately company will use this fund for their growth and expansion plans, which is another good point about the company. And now coming on to the last part, that is IPO details. एक लॉट में 13 शेयर्स हैं and cut off price is 1083. You can apply for this IPO till tomorrow. Issue size is 500 crores, out of which 225 crores is fresh issue and 275 crores is offer for sale. Allotment date is 26 July and listing is finally on 29 July. So these are the basic details of IPO. And IPO long term में भी profitable रहेगा और in fact premium listing तो बहुत अच्छी होने की उम्मीद है ही. It might be around 50% or more than that. So personally I am applying for this IPO. इनफैक्ट आप अपने सभी फैमिली मेम्बर्स के नाम से भी अप्लाई करें बिकॉज ऐसे आईपीओज बार बार नहीं आते, तो अलॉट हो या ना हो, बिकॉज फर्स्ट डे पे ही रिटेल पोर्शन ऑलमोस्ट 8 टाइम्स ओवर सब्सक्राइब हो चुका है एंड क्लियरली अभी भी 2 दिन बचे हैं. सो आईपीओ विल गोना बी ओवर सब्सक्राइब बाय अ ह्यूज नंबर, पर हमें अपनी तरफ से अप्लाई ज़रूर करना है इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ इट्स अलॉटमेंट स्टेटस. एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस कि आप प्रीमियम लिस्टिंग का गेन लेना चाहते हैं, थोड़ा पेशेंस रख के लॉन्ग टर्म में भी अच्छे रिटर्न्स लेना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज IPO will satisfy both the choices. So wishing you a very good luck for its allotment. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for all the latest market updates and stock recommendations. Thank you so much for watching this video.